So what's up from Pattaya? We having a little private car meet. It's just about 4 cars, and yeah, the rain just been pissing down. It's not a lot of cars here, but I'm gonna try make a quick little YouTube video for you guys. So as you can see, you have a pretty badass 350C with a full tandem white body, which is super sick. That is so cool. Not gonna stand in the way for my Russian friend there. He's a photographer, got a garbage truck in the house. Yeah, 3 beautiful Civics here. 1 coupe, which is super nice in the yellow color. And you got this red Civic hatchback with a white body tandem kits, which are really low. Damn, I like this one with the tire leathers. That is so cool. And this wing, super badass. Yeah, it's got the cage and bright seat. I'm not sure if you can see it. The harnesses. Yeah. And yo, I really like the F1 style mirrors. Super sweet. Damn, look at the blinkers, man. X. And the headlights. Oh, you got air intakes and the crazy front splitter. Damn. This car is beautiful. Super sick. And you got this one. Sweet. And the classic neon lights. Real fast in the Furious style. Super cool. That is nice. Okay, so you just have a quick fix?
Yeah, that was circuit.
Okay. On the circuit?
Yes.
In Pattaya or?
Yeah, Pattaya.
Ah, cool. Cool. I always wanted to go there. Ah, nice. And a carbon intake.
Yeah.
Sweet. So it's a D engine?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So have you done something to it other than the air intake and I guess the
This modified
exhaust?
engine.
Ah, modified,
Yes.
everything? Yeah, that is sweet.
180,
Cool.
180 HP.
Oh, 180? That is pretty rough on a Civic.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I guess it rips. It's a light car. Bright seats. The saw built harnesses, which is pretty cool. And of course the nice Japanese liveries. Rocks. Super nice. This is my Russian friend blasting the car with the photos. What is your YouTube channel?
Can see your face.
Can see your face. And your Instagram?
CNSRFC.
Okay. He making pretty good content. I'm gonna share it in the description below. Yeah, so I guess this is not going to be a whole vlog. I think we're gonna end this video here. I hope you like it. Subscribe, like and share my content, and I see you guys in another video. Peace.